Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Security and Securities. I'm Dushyant Singh Shekhawat and today in this module we will discuss about best security strategies amid COVID-19. As security professionals, all of us are passing through hard times and all of us are facing situations that the most experienced out of us have not faced. The scale of spread of COVID-19 pandemic is uncertain and the impact is unimaginable. In such times, it is best that knowledge, ideas, and experiences are shared with everyone. The demands on any security practitioner today are twofold. First is operational security challenge, which includes force protection. Prime challenge for all the physical security practitioners in this existing stage of pandemic is to keep the security staff fighting fit with a view to meet current and future commitment of uninterrupted security services. Implementation of enhanced hygiene and sanitation protocols at workplace, regular personal hygiene advisories, stringent COVID-19 related symptoms check and personal hygiene checks on daily basis, personal hygiene inspections of the residences of security staff, serving of nutritious meals to staff on duty are a few time-tested strategies to ring-fence the security staff from coronavirus infection. We will require this precious resource during the advanced stages of the long-drawn battle. We must protect this stock at all costs. Next thing to look out is social distancing, and it is a challenge when most of our teams are customer-facing. Some of the approaches are put 1 meter barricades around desk and draw lines at every meter and ask the person in queue to stand on those lines. Train the security staff to use their left hand stretched out to ensure that the individual stops at a distance. Unless business critical, stop manual frisking by guards. Discontinue morning and evening briefing of staff. Discontinue biometric based attendance and access. Change sitting arrangement in cafeterias with tables at 1 meter from each other. Next approach is availability of team. In case one team member tests positive, the entire team will have to be quarantined. But it's not too late to start even if we begin it now. Commence work in smaller mutually exclusive teams immediately. Make such a plan that there is a gap of 14 days between two teams. Even if one team were to be quarantined, the other team can take over. Daily coming for duty is a challenge due to area lockdown which most of us are facing. Possible solutions to consider are providing accommodation at site if possible with a single cabin and basic amenities. If providing cooking arrangements is a challenge, explore possibility of tie-up with nearby eateries. Now the most important is morale and motivation of security staff. All of us have families and all of us are worried. We and the management need to appreciate that these are the people who are putting their own lives at stake in our fight against COVID-19. Everyone must be provided with basic hygiene amenities. Communicate more with your staff and stay connected. Listen and understand their concern. Inspire and encourage them. Keep things clean at office and at home. Stay social but virtually. Taking self-declaration survey to capture the travel history and medical symptoms on a daily basis in terms of fever, sore throat, cough, headache, breathing problem, etc. of the security personnel along with their family members who are staying with them will also help in early detection. Constant appreciation in public and spot recognition of good job done during the crisis will boost up the spirits of the entire team. Assurance of full pay and allowances by management in case security staff is quarantined, isolated or rested. Convincing the management to offer substantial financial incentives to those on duty, which will go a long way in raising the morale of the ground forces. There are some enhanced expectations of management beyond the role of security. That is, temperature scanning of every employee entering the premises is the primary demand of the management, and security have taken this responsibility very well, in spite of so many challenges like quality of the temperature measuring devices, staff training challenges, pushback from employees, and the personal risk to security guards. Observing social distance norms and hygiene standards will ensure safety of employees and our staff. Arrangements to ferry essential employees smoothly to and from their workplace is a demand that most management have to their security team. Our relations with law enforcement agencies will help us in this situation. As an organization, we can provide some necessary items like masks, sanitizers, gloves, etc. to the law enforcement agencies in our area. Sending out housekeeping guys to sanitize the nearby police station will be greatly appreciated. Interstate movement of employees to meet personal exigencies in the family is another management expectation. And we must highlight the risk of moving out, but if insisted, we can reach out to others of that area in the security fraternity to seek help and support. This will help in coordination with law enforcement agencies during interstate travel. In this crisis, unplanned absenteeism will be very normal. We have to be mentally prepared to meet the expectations of the management to support medical team, escort convoy of trucks carrying essential goods to ensure uninterrupted supply, provide drivers to keep the fleet of emergency vehicle running, support facility management team, support corporate social initiatives, manning 24/7 helpline, and to extend support to civil administration in maintaining law and order, implementing lockdown protocols, and supporting community awareness program. List of management expectation is unique to each corporate and it is unending. So it's a good practice to keep tally of security staff with special skills and experience. Now we will end this module with a small message. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected.